Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are healthy and hearty. Welcome back to NIEBS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English Literature class for the students of class 1 on the topic of synonym and antonym. I am repeating, today our topic is synonym and antonym. Students, today we'll give revision of all our synonyms and antonyms. And this is our 15th lecture and 14th homework. Students, take your notebook and writing elements. We'll discuss about all synonyms and antonyms, and you have to pick them in your notebook. So let's begin. So while writing synonym and antonym, first you have to write at the beginning word synonym and antonym, and then you have to write the answers. First, the given word is cool, and you have to write the synonym and antonym. So let's start. Say with me, cool, synonym is cold and antonym is hot. Next, write. The synonym is mature and antonym is green. Next word, love. The synonym is like and antonym is hate. Given word is angry, synonym is fierce and antonym is calm. Next, real. The synonym of the word real is natural and antonym is unnatural. Next word, help. The synonym is assist and antonym is disturb. Next word, ill. Synonym will be sick and antonym will be well. Next, come. Synonym is arrive and antonym is go. Next word, take. The synonym is receive and antonym is give. Verb. The word synonym will be hot and antonym will be cold. Next word, thick. So synonym is fat and antonym is thin. Sleep. Synonym will be rest and antonym will be wake. Rest. For rest we can say as synonym relax, and for antonym work. Slowly, synonym will be gently and antonym will be quickly. Last word, stop. Synonym will be halt and antonym will be start. So students, this is our revision class, and I hope you have read all these synonyms and antonyms at your home. And again, you will learn all this at your home. Now, I am giving your homework. Your homework will be synonym and antonym, any 5. Any 5. Students, I am repeating, your homework will be synonym and antonym, any 5. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number with the submission date. Students, that's for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. And you have to submit your SW copies on every Sunday and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. And for this, your guardians can come to school or anyone else can come. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.